Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to online class. Before start the class, I am going to ask few questions to you. Okay, children? Are you ready? Okay. You know very well how to add or subtract the algebraic expressions. Okay, let's see the question. 2x plus 3x equal to what, children? 2x plus 3x equal to what you will get? 5x. Very good, children. Usually, how do you do this? Here, common variable is x. You will add the numerical coefficient. Here, numerical coefficient 2. The second time numerical coefficient is 3. So, 2 plus 3 you get 5. 5x. Very good, children. Next question. 5y minus 2y. What is the answer, children? Here y is a common term. Okay. Just you subtract the numerical coefficient. 5 minus 2 you get 3y. Okay, children. You understand this? Very good. The next question. 3x square plus 4x square plus 7x square. What is the answer, children? Can anyone say? Very good, children. 14x square. Very good. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Here x square is common. So 14x square. Very good, children. You understand well. Okay. Shall I move on to the exercise? Today, I am going to teach exercise 7.2, third Roman. Which Roman I am going to start? Third Roman. Okay, children. See the question. Subtract the first expression from the second. From the second. What operations we are going to do? We are going to subtract the first expression from the second expression. Usually subtraction, the smaller number subtract from the greater. We always do like this. Okay. Here the second expression is greater. That's why they given the condition. We subtract the first expression from the second expression. Okay, children. Look at the question. 3m square is the first expression. 5m square is the second expression. Okay. Now we are going to write first second expression minus 5m square. What we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Subtract 3m square. Here common variable is m square. What is the numerical coefficient? Minus 5, minus 3. So both the number have same sign. What you will do? You add. So minus 8m square. So what is the answer, children? Answer is minus 8m square. Do you understand, children? Listen. I will explain one more time. So for second expression is minus 5m square. We are going to subtract. That's why I put minus sign. Next 3m square. Here m square is the common. M square is the common variable. So you take it out. You take it out. M square. So what is remaining, children? Minus 5m minus 3. So minus 5 minus 3, what you will get? Minus 8, because both the number have same sign. Okay, children. So what is the answer? Minus 8m square. Okay. Shall I move on to the next question? See the second question. 5x plus 2y, 7x minus 3y. Okay. Can you guess what type of expression is given here? Here, how many terms are there? Here, two terms are there. So this is binomial. Binomial is given. So we are going to subtract. Okay. So first expression, which one you have to take? Second expression. Second minus first we have to do. Okay, children. So take the second expression. 7x minus 3y minus of 5x plus 2y. Next step, 7x minus 3y. Here plus sign is there, multiply with minus, minus into plus, minus 5x, minus into plus, get minus 2y. Next, grouping the like terms. What you want to do? Grouping the like terms. So first term is 7x. The next minus 5x, because we are grouping the like terms. 7x and 5x are like terms. 3y and 2y are like terms. Okay. So minus 3y minus 2y. Next. Here 7x minus 5x. What, children? You know very well x is the common variable. 7 minus 5 you get 2. So 2x. Next, minus 3 minus 2. You get minus 5. Y is the common variable. So minus 3 minus 2 you get minus 5. Okay. Minus 5y. So what is the answer, children? 2x minus 5y. Okay, children. First, you write the second expression first. So, 7x minus 3y minus of 5x plus 2y. Okay. Next, 7x minus 3y. Let's multiply with the minus. So, minus 5x minus 2y. Next, grouping the like term. 7x minus 5x minus 3y minus 2y. So these two terms are like terms and these two terms are like terms. Okay. You know very well 7 minus 5 you get 2. So 2x. Minus 3 minus 2 both the number have same sign. So minus 3 minus 2 you get minus 5. So minus 5y. So what is the answer? 2x minus 5y. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? Next, third question. 3x plus y plus 7x square y square, comma 3xy. Okay, children. Here, two expressions are given. The first expression is 3xy plus 7x square y square. Second expression is 3xy. Before add or subtract, we have to check the order. That is very important. Okay. Here 3xy. xy, after that x square y square is there. In second expression, xy is the first time and the next second time is not there. You don't worry. Okay. First you write it. First you write the second expression. 3xy minus of first expression. 3xy plus 7x square y square. Next, 3xy multiply with minus. First term here plus is there, plus is there. So minus into plus you get minus, you get minus. So minus 3xy, here minus into plus you get minus 7x square y square. Okay, children. 3xy minus 3xy. Okay, you cancel this. So what is remaining? Minus 7x square y square. So what is the answer, children? Minus 7x square y square. Okay, children, you understand? Shall we move on to the next question? Very good. The next question is 2x square plus 3xy minus y square. Second expression is minus x square minus xy minus 2y square. Here, see the order. First term is x square. Second expression also x square. In first expression, second term is xy, 3xy. Second expression, second term is xy. Then first expression, third term is y square. In second expression, third term y square. So the order will be same. Okay. After that, you write the second expression first. So minus x square minus xy minus 2y square minus of 2x square plus 3xy minus y square. Here minus x square minus xy minus 2y square minus of, we are going to multiply with the minus. Okay, the first time plus. So minus into plus you get minus 2x square minus into plus you get minus 3xy. Next minus into minus you get plus y square. Now grouping the like terms, minus x square minus 2x square minus xy minus 3xy minus 2y square plus y square. Okay. Now x square coefficient. First term you see minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 you get minus 3x square. Okay, children. Next, minus xy minus 3xy. xy is the common term. So, first xy coefficient is minus 1. Next term, xy coefficient is minus 3. So, minus 1 minus 3, you get minus 4. Minus 4xy. Next, minus 2y square plus y square. Okay, here y square is the common variable. Minus 2 plus 1 you get minus 1. So minus y square. Minus 1 into y square you get y square only. Okay, so minus y square. So what is the answer, children? Minus 3x square minus 4xy minus y square. You understand, children? I hope you understand the problem. If you have any doubt, you ask me, children. I am ready to explain. Okay, children. Shall I move on to the next Roman? So the next Roman is simplify the following. Fourth Roman, simplify the following. Okay. So look at the first question. See the first question. 7x plus 5y minus 2x plus 9y. Okay. See here. First, you grouping the like terms. Grouping the like terms. So 7x minus 2x plus 5y plus 9y. Okay. Here x is the common variable. 7x and 2x are like terms as well as 5y and 9y are like terms. Okay. So here common variable is Common variable is x. 7 minus 2 you get 5. So 5x plus, here common variable is y. Okay. So coefficient is plus 5 plus 9. So plus 5 plus 9 you get plus 14y. Okay, here you no need to multiply, just I showing this, these two are same variable. Okay children. So what is the answer children? 5x plus 14y. Okay. The next question. Look at the next question. 3x square minus 3x square plus 9xy minus 10 plus 4x square minus xy plus 8. Here three terms are there. It means x square, xy constant. That I told. Okay, the whole expression is given. So we are going to add. Okay, first grouping the like terms. Minus 3x square plus 4x square plus 9xy minus xy minus 10 plus 8. So minus 3x square plus 4x square is like term. 9xy and xy is the like term. This is constant. These two are like terms. So minus 3 plus 4 you get plus 1. So x square. Next 9xy minus xy. Xy is a common variable. 9 minus 1 you get 8. So plus 8xy minus 10 plus 8. Both the number have different signs. So you subtract. So greater number is 10. Greater number sign is minus. So minus 2. So what is the answer children? X square plus 8xy minus 2. Do you understand children? Shall I move on to the next question? So the next question is 6ab plus 6bc minus 5ac plus 10 minus 7bc plus 2ab minus 2ac. Okay. First, you grouping the like term. So the first term is 6ab. And where is another ab? Plus 2ab. Next, plus 6bc minus 7bc minus 5ac minus 2ac plus 10 plus 10. Okay children. Now 6ab, 2ab are like terms, 6bc, 7bc are like terms, 5ac, 2ac are like terms, and this is constant. Okay. Now add this first two. AB is a common variable. So 6 plus 2 you get 8. So 8ab. Next. Plus 6 minus 7 you get minus 1. So minus BC. Next. AC is the common variable. Minus 5 minus 2 you get minus 7 AC plus 10. So what is the answer children? 8ab minus BC minus 7ac plus 10. Okay, children. You understand? Shall I move on to the next question, children? The next question is 12 plus 7xy minus 3y square, 2y square minus 10xy plus 8. So what we are going to do? We are going to simplify this. Okay, children. First, grouping the like terms. So 12 plus 8 plus 7xy minus 10xy minus 3y square plus 2y square. So 12 plus 8 you get 20. xy is the common variable. So plus 7 minus 10 you get minus 3xy. Because 10 is the greater number, the sign of the greater number is negative. So minus 3xy. Look at the next two. Y square, common variable. So minus 3 plus 2, different sign. Different sign, what we want to do? We have to subtract. So minus 3 plus 2, you get minus 1. So minus y square. So what is the answer, children? 20 minus 3xy minus y square. Do you understand, children? Have you enjoyed the class? Very good, children. Thank you.